Alright, so it looks like my car has another update, 2023.44.30.5.1. It says it'll take about 25 minutes, so let's see. What did they do? Minor fixes, that's it?
Yeah, and I think it will also let us do Cuphead 2.
I don't think so, but let's try.
Yeah,
okay,
let's do
install now.
And it's gonna take...
Start. Now we're gonna have to wait here for 25 minutes. We're gonna be stuck. It opened our window. What's happening? Unwrapping present? What is this? We're getting presents? Update starting. We're getting some presents. So maybe this is some Christmas thing. We'll see. I'll see you guys in probably 25 minutes or something. Alright, it's been about 6 minutes. You can see it barely moved anywhere. And the windows do operate. It stays in an unlocked mode because if I try and roll it all the way up, you can see it rolls back down slightly. See? See? If I roll it all the way up, it goes back down on its own. So I think that's so you don't end up locking yourself in while it's updating. The air is on, and I don't think you can drive the car, but either way, you shouldn't drive the car while it's updating. So yeah, we'll see you guys when it's getting closer to finished. Don't listen to it. It's been 30 minutes, and look, it's maybe
60%.
less than 2/3 done.
Yeah, it's like 60%.
So we'll see what happens. 60%?
Yeah.
Okay. I think it's been like 45 minutes, and look, 25 minutes, my badunky dunk.
And now it's 75%.
So the next one should be done, hopefully.
Yeah. Finally, it was
says,
like an hour.
unwrapping present, rebooting driving disabled, do not drive until complete. And it's been 47 minutes.
No, it's 57 minutes. It was.
It's going dark. Don't leave. Wake up. The car died. There's no screen.
Last Christmas,
We'll see you later, buddy.
I gave you my jacket, but the very next day,
Oh,
this
the logo appeared.
From
It's waking
Save
up.
Me From Ewing.
What? Save me from viewing.
Last Christmas,
Wake
I
up.
gave you my heart, but the very next
Wake
day,
up.
I found out.
Wake up, buddy.
Arigato.
They did so
Clean
many
the
updates
dishes.
in a row.
No.
Clean the dishes? The car doesn't know how to clean dishes.
Dun, da, 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 da,
Oh, it
da,
died
da.
again.
Owen, sit down, buckle.
It died again. We're dead. Oh, now the logo came back.
Maybe it's like
Changed
a glitch.
its mind. It's glitched. It said, Merry Christmas. You're not going to go anywhere now. You're stuck here forever. Oh, it's off again. How many times is this going to repeat? You hate this car? I should have done the update, waited till home. Oh, it's unwrapping presents again. What is going on? Uh-oh, it's playing copyrighted. Bye!
Okay, guys.
Alright, it finished, and what changed is it turned off my Sentry mode. That looks like that's all that happened. What is this information panel? Oh, it gave you an owner's manual.
Oh, what about
I don't see anything.
What about on Cuphead? What let us? Yeah.
I guess there was some issues from the update, and maybe they fixed it. Alright, that's it. Bye.
Okay,